You don't know you need compounding until you really need it. And that's when it changes your life. It changed my son's life. You want to make sure that you have somebody that is reliable and you can trust to safely mix the medication.
We hear stories like this all the time, and it really motivates us to want to do better. There are stories of people that are elderly and they can't swallow medication. There are stories of children that need things specifically formulated. There are stories of pets and animals that need specific medications. And all these stories of personalized medicine are what we call compounding. This is the reason why we get up and we come to work every day. We know all of our customers on a first name basis, and this personalized approach is exactly what we get from Medisca. Be it big or small, Medisca makes it a point to know their customers. This is very impressive for a global company. I know that it's as simple as calling customer service and having them direct me to one of their technical experts, whether I'm talking about equipment or formulation or sales. They work together as a team, and they definitely will find the right answer to suit my needs. They offer educational support, which is their LP3 network arm. Their warehouse is state-of-the-art. It's logistically challenging to get medications out to thousands of pharmacies on time at the correct temperature. They're really a company you can trust. I think because they're privately owned, they understand the needs of other privately owned independent businesses. It warms my heart to know that Medisca treats me like family, which is the same way that I'd want to treat my customers, just like family.
And just like family, we look out for each other. That's why we're here on Capitol Hill with our friends at APC year after year, looking out for your business and patients. We at Medisca know the fight for patient access is bigger than one conference, which is why we join the fight for our industry year-round. This is why we host our monthly flag calls with my good friend and colleague Aaron Lopez to keep you informed of what's happening at the state and federal level, which could impact your pharmacy. And there is no shortage of things happening. NASM studies, MOU, animal GFI, TRICARE recoupment, too many things. So please, make sure to join the calls 1 p.m. Eastern, second Wednesday of every month, to find out what's new and what's happening. And speaking of new, have you seen the new features at Medisca.com? My friend David Bentz is here to tell you about it. I think. David, you there?
Thanks, Philip. We'll be sure to check out the flag call on Medisca.com. Medisca.com has a lot of new features, actually. I don't know if you've noticed, but we now have the ability to track your order, look at your order history, check out the invoices, and everything you've always wanted to ask a rep, available at your hands, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. The website at Medisca.com is constantly being updated with potential drug shortages. We also have change notifications on chemicals, and you can now see sample formulas that are related to your order or a chemical that you're looking at on Medisca.com. Wait till you see what we're going to be doing on Medisca.com in the future. You're going to have enhanced availability to see a lot of things you've never seen before, and it'll really make your experience a good one.
If Medisca's website doesn't excite you, which it should, how about that new buzzword, PPE? The Medisca family, along with myself, have been whipping up a whole new line of PPE committed to safety and compliance. A line of PPE you can trust for all types of compounding, non-sterile, sterile, hazardous, or non-hazardous. From chemo-tested gloves, certified face masks, shoe covers, and hairnets, to lab coats, isolation gowns, and sterile coveralls, SafeSense is the new gold standard for PPE dedicated to the safety of our compounders and healthcare workers worldwide. Check it out, Medisca.com/SafeSense. Take it away, Mark.
Hello, my name is Mark Joyner, the product manager of the MAZ. Now is a more exciting time than ever to purchase one of these revolutionary pieces of equipment for your pharmacy. We have some new additions to our patented mixing technology with the addition of our UnoDose mixing adapter. You now have the ability to mix directly inside of your UnoDose applicator without the need for any other conventional piece of equipment. That goes hand in hand with our MD pump adapter, ungulator jar adapter, and Samex adapter that again allows you to utilize the MAZ technology directly inside those applicating devices. In the coming months, we have some amazing incentives coming out with up to 15% off the purchase price of all of our MAS units. On top of that, we've made access to one of our virtual web demos as easy as possible. Just visit the Medisca website, select the day and time that's best for you, and one of our MAS specialists will be able to go over all the ins and outs of the MAS technology, including Club MAS, which has now reached over 600 members worldwide. We really look forward to working with all of you in the future.
Hi everyone, this is Dr. Mindy Cormier. I am the Advanced Clinical and Formulations Pharmacist at Medisca Network. You know, we at Medisca understand that this has been a tough year and adapting to the new norm has not been easy. It's especially at times like these where we want you to lean on us. As a family, we provide a comprehensive portfolio of services to assist your day-to-day compounding and business operations. With a data bank of over 8,500 formulas, technical support services team, and customized formula development, to practical resource documents such as our COVID-19 support document, and our high-end consultation services and top-of-the-line standard operating procedures. Trust me, I've been in your shoes. I've been on the front lines, making rounds in hospitals, in the front counseling patients while verifying prescriptions, providing immunizations, in the back compounding, on the phone with physicians, patients, caregivers, taking all these challenges while trying to provide the best possible care for our patients. You know, my role at Medisca Network is to take all the knowledge I've gained not only in compounding, but my various pharmacy experience and give this knowledge back to you. While you are there for your patients and prescribers to depend on, let us be the ones that you can turn to, that you can depend on. You know, whether you're new to compounding or experienced, whatever your needs, just know that we will be your support that you can lean on today and tomorrow.
Nice throw, Mindy. Hey everyone, my name is Dea Bastos, Sales Manager of LP3 Network, Medisca's educational partner. As leaders in the industry for over 15 years, we have pioneered the way to the digital world of continuing education. Now, our entire portfolio of live events are available on a virtual platform. That means our HRT, pain, dermatology, vet, non-sterile compliance, hazardous drugs programming, all available virtually. Now you're asking yourself, okay, can I ask my questions? Can I interact? Can I engage? Yes, yes, and yes. You'll be able to connect with pharmacists, physicians, technicians from around the world on this virtual platform through video, open mic discussions, group work, polls, and more. And the best part is you're able to do it from the comfort and safety of your home, just like myself. Our facilitators will light up the stage from their living room to yours. Take the opportunity today. Check out how enthusiastic your peers are.
Which is kind of exciting for sure as well. And you know, I wish you all the best, especially with this challenging time.
How are you?
And trying to really help patients and providers. I know it can be more significant considering there's no.
See? Now it's your time to learn, network, and grow with LP3 Network. Join our family. Please contact myself or anyone from my amazing sales team, and we'll be sure to get you registered. Take care.
As you see, Medisca's family is constantly growing through LP3 and MNU. And 3 years ago, Medisca welcomed Samex to its family, introducing an exclusive line of reliable electronic mortar and pestles manufactured in Germany for pharmacists everywhere. With compounding becoming ever more demanding, pharmacists need tools that can keep up with their workload. And this superior line offers two models designed to efficiently mix compounds within minutes. First is our ES500, with the capacity to mix between 15 mLs and 500 mLs. Next is our U1000, with the capacity to mix upwards of 1 liter and store custom mixing programs. Samex also offers accessories that aid in the extraction of your product into something as simple as a syringe. And finally, in order to provide the best support possible, Medisca and Samex recently partnered with Reflex Medical, makers of the Unidose applicator, to exclusively service all Samex mixers, ensuring pharmacists will minimize any downtime.
Just like family, we care about protecting your business and your patients from avoidable risk. That's why Medisca's R&D team has been hard at work to provide you with a new list of industry-leading beauties. Before we got started, we made sure that we spoke with you and we really understood what your needs were, and then we got to work. Along the way, we faced our fair share of challenges, especially given the current situation. Medisca prides itself in only working with independent third-party labs but that does leave us open to being heavily impacted by closures and delays. Not to worry though, we do have everything back on track. So make sure you keep a lookout later this year for an expansion to the base portfolio line along with that new list of BUDs. Everything from single APIs, a variety of combinations, all bracketed, stability indicating in container closures, and targeting 180 days so that you can best cater to your patients just like you would your own family. We want to help you take care of your business by providing you with flexibility, a variety of options, and confidence in the quality of compounds that you dispense. Let's continue working together like a family to make sure that you have the products and the studies that you need.
Hi there. Like family, we support our customers and industry, whether it be through our flight calls, continuously enhancing our e-com platform, keeping the industry safe with SafeSense, or introducing innovative technologies such as the MAS. We continuously invest heavily in stability indicating studies, as well as strategic partnerships recognized globally, such as LP3 and Medisca Network, and supporting organizations like APC so they can continue to be the voice for pharmacy compounding. Join the family, respecting social distancing, but remaining closer than ever.
Thanks, Milton. And wow, it really looks like everyone has been super busy. My name's Andrew Rowe, and I'm the Senior Vice President here in Medisca. From my home to yours, I'd really like to say thank you. Thank you to our pharmacists, thank you to our physicians, our nurses, and all healthcare practitioners for working on the front line and delivering essential services to those who need. I'd like to say thank you to our employees and all the employees at compounding suppliers around the world for turning up to work, especially those who work in the warehousing and operations who have not had the luxury of working from home during this pandemic. And finally, thank you to APC. Thank you for continuing to try and raise the awareness of our industry and the good that we do, especially during such a time when we have shown our true colors of meeting drug shortages and delivering quality patient care to those who need. Although this year we won't be able to see you physically, Medisca will always be here for our compounding family. We want you to stay safe, and we really hope you enjoyed this year's APC event.